Ever wondered what really goes on behind the scenes with credit cards? If you've got one, how old were you when you first got it? Drop your age in the comments because today we're diving into the secrets of credit cards that no one ever talks about. Alright, so here are 10 facts about credit cards no one tells you. Number 1. Did you know that on average, millennials own 2.6 credit cards each? This is probably why credit card companies spend over $2 billion a year on millennial marketing. But don't worry, Gen Z, you're next on their list. Number 2. The best time to apply for a credit card is between the ages of 20 and 24. This is because your credit limit will be higher and the interest rates are lower. Number 3. When you use a credit card. The bank or financial institution that issued the card doesn't actually have money set aside to lend you. Instead, they have access to a larger pool of money from other people's deposits. In other words, the money you borrow doesn't actually exist until you use it. Number 4. Having multiple credit cards can be a good thing. As long as you pay your bills on time every month, having multiple credit cards can help. You build your credit score faster and give you more flexibility with your spending. Number 5. Missed a payment on your credit card. Don't panic. Most credit card issuers allow you to make up to 2 missed payments during a year without penalty. Just make sure you have a good reason for missing the payment and talk to your credit card company. Number 6. It's not too late to get a credit card if you're older than 25. Many credit card issuers offer great sign-up bonuses for new cardholders over the age of 25. Just be sure to read the fine print before signing up. Number 7. Do you use your credit card for gas, groceries, or everyday purchases? Some credit cards offer rewards like cashback or points for everyday spending. So be sure to take advantage of them. Number 8. Want to buy something big like a car or a house? Having a credit card can help you get approved for a loan and secure better interest rates. Lenders look favorably on people who use credit responsibly, like having a credit card and paying it off in full each month. Number 9. A secured credit card can help you build your credit if you have bad or no credit. Secured credit cards require you to put down a security deposit, which typically becomes your credit limit. They also usually have lower interest rates than unsecured cards, making them a great option for people who are just starting out. Number 10. Having a credit card can help you in an emergency. If you have an unexpected expense, like a car repair or medical bill, having a credit card can help you cover the cost. Just be sure to pay it off as soon as possible. Now that you know 10 facts about credit cards no one tells you, are you ready to apply for your first credit card? Before you do, watch this video to learn about the pros and cons of having a credit card. And now it's time for the pros and cons of a credit card. Let's start with the pros. Number 1. You can earn rewards. Many credit cards offer rewards such as cashback, points, or miles for everyday spending. These can add up quickly, especially if you use your card for all of your purchases. Number 2. You can build your credit. Using a credit card and paying it off in full each month is a great way to build your credit history, which can lead to better interest rates on loans and mortgages in the future. Number 3. You can protect your finances. If you use a credit card instead of a debit card, you'll be protected against fraud and identity theft. And if your card is lost or stolen, you won't be liable for any charges that aren't your own. Number 4. You can enjoy benefits and discounts. Many credit cards offer special benefits and discounts that you wouldn't be able to get otherwise. This could include things like extended warranty protection, travel insurance, or even discounts on things like movie tickets. And number 5, you can pay over time. If you have a large purchase to make, you may be able to pay for it with a credit card and pay over time. This can be helpful if you don't have the money to pay for the item up front. But be sure to read the fine print, as there may be interest charges or fees involved. Now let's move on to the cons of having a credit card. Number 1. You can go into debt. If you don't use your credit card responsibly and make only the minimum payments, you can easily get into debt. Interest rates on credit cards are typically high, so it's important to pay your balance down as soon as possible. Number 2. you may be tempted to spend more than you can afford. With a credit card, it's easy to feel like you have more money to spend, when in reality, you're just putting purchases on your card to be paid off later. This can lead to overspending and financial problems. Number 3. There are fees. Many credit cards come with annual fees, late fees, balance transfer fees, and other types of fees. These can add up quickly, so it's important to read the fine print and understand all of the fees associated with your card before signing up. Number 4. Your credit score matters. If you have a low credit score, you may not be approved for a credit card, or you may receive a card with a low credit limit. This can make it difficult to use the card to build your credit. Number 5. Not all merchants accept credit cards. Some merchants may not accept your credit card due to the type of card you have or the issuing bank. This could leave you in a bind if you're trying to make a purchase. So, is it worth it to get a credit card? That depends on your individual circumstances and spending habits. If you can use a credit card responsibly, it can be a valuable tool for building your credit, earning rewards, and enjoying benefits and discounts. However, if you think you may struggle with debt or overspending, a credit card may not be right for you. Be sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully before deciding whether or not to apply for a credit card. Alright, that's all for this video. What are your thoughts about credit cards? Leave a comment down below. We want to hear from you. Like and subscribe our channel to watch more such personal finance videos. Thank you.